X78 post. Okay, let's go play Thanos Prison Run.
I'm gonna join now, yo. Hey, why your name is PI?
Record. You need to record.
I'm already recording.
But you unlocked the recording.
Hey, stop!
Oh, you're already recording. It starts with the...
Hey, why are you gonna start? You go first and I go second.
Why is our brother crying?
Why you keep picturing? Stop.
Why is our brother crying? Why is our brother crying?
I also hear that.
Yeah, may worm. May worm sa floor.
Loading,
Stand up, bilis.
loading.
Yeah.
Ayun yung worm.
Hello,
Faster.
hello,
Come here.
hello.
Wait
Come
for
here.
me.
May
Wait for me.
worm.
Wait for me. Bruh.
Why you keep doing that?
There go. Hey, your circle ball.
Hey, stop.
There go. Let's go play. Wait for me.
I'm moving.
Wait for me.
You go first.
Wait. My.
Wow. Oh my god, damn. Just let me open that.
What was that part?
I think it's Thanos.
Do Thanos part? I just watched the Squid Game 1 before. Last time I watched the Squid Game 2.
Hey, let me press this button.
I watched the
Hey,
Squid
guys.
Game 2 last time. But now, wait for me!
I keep falling.
Yeah, me too!
Because I keep forgetting to jump.
Yeah, my thumb is not doing its work. Yeah, there
Where's
we
my
go.
screen recorder? Did it disappear or something?
It's in the bottom.
Oh, it's on the bottom. Then here.
Oh my god.
This
Press
one-
the button! Go, Thanos!
Thanos?
I'm
But
a legend,
Thanos is not
Thanos.
following you. Thanos is not even following you.
Hey, Thanos got even farther from me.
Yeah, I see Thanos farting.
I wanted my pants back. I don't want
Oh
it
no,
to be.
Thanos is following me. Press. Mommy, help me. Thanos is catching me.
I don't want my pants to be like Squid Game-ish. It's like over here,
Why
no.
are crying,
No.
mister? And I hear a fart. Is that
Okay, let me
is that
dig
someone
down.
farting or it's just Thanos?
My favorite place, the lava place.
That's not my favorite place after all. Hey, I thought that was Thanos.
Wait.
Hey, Tutu, I see Tutu.
Oh no, I fall into the lava.
Did you forgot a jump or something?
My thumb.
Your thumb is so well.
Daddy, mag-horsey daw kayo.
It's so big.
Horsey.
Oh no. Oh my God.
You helped me.
Jump over
Horsey
that
daw,
place.
horsey.
Oh my God, I
No, and I died also.
And you're gonna spawn in this.
Hey, you pushed at me.
I didn't.
You did. Hey.
I'm just over here standing and waiting. You're too tall, that's why you're too tall.
It's this baking girl. Excuse me, can I go first? Maybe there's a toxic bacon. No, I keep falling. Wait, I need to pause. Guys, I did it.
I did it too. Hey, don't troll me, okay?
Ah!
Bruh, you followed it by your own. Never mind.
What?
Never mind. Don't troll me.
Yes, and
Oh,
yes.
no, foul. I'm running out of time. Let me.
It's hard to spot
Oh
those
my God, it's
things.
so hard. Let me just pause this really quick. Oh my God. Oh no, I had to restart it. I accidentally did something.
Oh my god, poor you.
What? What do you mean for me?
You restarted your video and then I did just touch the spikes. Oh, I don't want to invite my friends.
What?
What was that? I'm so fat. No, I'm so tall. I'm tall.
I thought you were fat. Can I see a remote?
Jetpack? I don't want.
Do you have a jetpack?
Legend Tunnels here?
Why Legend Tunnels is there? And I even saw a fat Squid Game guy. I'll just play,
I don't want my pants squid dish. I want it back to normal.
what do you mean about that?
I don't want it squid. My.
Pototoy? You mean pototoy?
That's bad to say.
I'm sorry.
Ouch. I
What do
got
you mean,
caught.
What do you mean, ouch? You
But
got caught
I
by
don't want
somebody?
my shorts squid game-ish. I
What?
want it back to
What
normal.
do you mean about that?
Oh, I already got
I'm
that.
playing for an anyone's game.
Already got that.
What? Why there's a pink house? There's
No,
like a
no.
Bro, I keep teleporting here. Stop. Nice.
Can you join me again?
Hey, I keep glitching everywhere. Bro, I keep glitching. Bro, I keep glitching in mid-air.
Mid-air.
Bro, I'm in the sky. I'm hacking. Yeah.
You're lagging.
Lagging so
Maybe
bad.
your internet connection's broken or
What?
something.
No, I'm in high. I'm just.
What's over there?
What?
What's over here?
That's Thanos.
Just panels, and what's here?
Bro, I keep hacking.
Wait,
Why do I keep hacking?
I glitched it out. I glitched out.
Under. You glitch under Mr. Thanos.
Yo, bango. Sino nagpaligo sa'yo?
Oh my god, what is that cave?
Nagsampa ka.
What do you mean?
This
Nice doggy for
this elevators.
Hey, why do you name your cat Saki?
Oh my god.
And the other one's Murray. I can't spell.
No, the elevator.
Ah! That scared me. Ow.
The elevator.
I'm leaving this place.
The elevator.
Which elevator?
I accidentally fall. And look at that.
You fall from the elevator.
And how to fix this? What is this? Where's the lever?
Actually, I'm playing.
Oh, there. That is funny.
That's not the
There we go. I thought it came from.
nice pearl. I mean, pearl of pink. Petal of pink.
Yeah. Yeah, but
I'm here? No, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Bro, is that
No.
so loud?
I'm stuck.
So loud.
Can somebody help me?
It's so loudy. Like it's so loud. Hey, it's a ball, bro. Why can't I press this?
Hey, I want this energy drink.
It's so loud.
Oh. Hey. I wish I wouldn't fall.
Hopefully free play mode. Oh my god, there's duos.
Duos?
I saw it. I saw some duos that tried to scare me.
Oh my god!
Duos are trying to scare my dear face. Right? Yeah, oh my god.
Why did I fall in
I
that?
just saw a monster. Holy moly, guacamole. What is this? It's still
Finally.
Hey, oh my god, I got dead. I'm just gonna walk.
There you
out.
go, and then
Circles and circles, circles and circles. Hey, oh my god.
start.
What do you mean about that? We're just playing Guess Numbers. Just playing Guess Numbers.
I know this room we need to find a vent in the wall.
This is my Roblox avatar in dress.
Oh my God, they're watching me.
This is my Roblox avatar and dress to Empress. So nice, right? It looks nice. I'm gonna change my brown to see the wall.
But if I'm in dress to,
There's two outfits on. I'm a
bro, you're holding
cupcake.
the thing.
I'm a cupcake. I'm a bald cupcake. I'm a bald cupcake. And by the way, I saw this cupcake.
Nagdede ha.
Okay, bro. Yeah.
Oh, there's a black girl.
Si Pablo din ay mag-ano. Campus. Hindi pa tumatay.
Let me stop being a cupcake.
Okay, and then finally. No! I did my best.
Sabi ko pag mag-wiwi, sasabihin, Wee! Loko-loko.
Yeah. Almost did it.
Are the shooters? Wait, I thought they were
Yeah.
white and pink.
Did it. There you go, and bye-bye stage.
Hello, anyone here?
This stage. I know the stage. This is where the electric fan is.
Go over here.
You're almost done.
Gusto siguro ba
And there.
libre kakabili ng marshmallow?
I'm a bit bad at hobbies and just dying. And
Why
yeah.
not for babies? That's high school. A nice girl.
Where shall I jump next?
Let me
Oh, there. That's where we are next. Ah, my. Let me go to. Let me go in this in cat.
I wish there was a lot of I'm kind of scared to go out. I just go back inside.
Let me.
Why do I even have short nails? Why do I have so long?
I need to close the bulbs.
Am I a monster or something? Why I have long nails?
First bulb.
Actually, I'm gonna remove my outfit.
Let me go to the second bulb. Oh no.
Hey, let me get out of here.
Already do that bulb.
I'm changing my face right now. Goodbye.
Go. There you go. And then reset my character. And there I am.
It's a random avatar. I didn't even have to spell random.
There you go.
It's a random outfit. This
And
is a
from
random
stage 6 here.
Yeah.
Go. Well guys, I upgraded my avatar.
Sino ba yun?
Whoop.
Si Lolo Tico.
Nice hair. I just double the hair.
Whoop.
So it gives this
Miming! Lolo!
Whoop.
Oh my god.
Did it.
Bald girl.
Yeah. I'm getting better than before, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Let me shoot in this. Okay, let me go down. Oh my god.
Okay, not the hair. I already did the hair.
Not Namdew.
Wait, by the way, what is this code? Nice shoes, but this is big shoes.
Except for bazooka. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to sacrifice myself. I need to sacrifice myself. What? 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 I'm not dying. Oh. My bad.
Maiipit.
What do you mean, my bad?
Lai, may monster dyan. Ayan, umihi si Pablo, baka magdulas. Ayan,
Wiwi, dun sa banyo, sa banyo,
I'm
wiwi.
gonna do this.
Kami!
Start the pig, and then you do like.
Madudulas ka.
Why do you have to do
I need to
like that?
shoot you. I need to. No! I keep dying! I need to wait for her to go far. There we go. Go there, 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 go. Oh my god, oh my
Waiting for
god.
a nice song.
No, 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 no! What the fork? What the fork? There's a fork with you?
Why do you so fork?
No, I was so close.
Where is my food?
Okay, let me take
Hey, where's
you
my
down
feet?
while I'm taking What? That was a new hack? I was just staying there to defeat him?
What?
I was just staying there to defeat him?
What do you mean about that? I'm just getting something out of it.
That's easy.
What do you mean?
Tumbling.
I
What do you mean I'll get?
would just get this pig.
You're saying I'll get.
I'll get this drink and then I'm gonna put a PlayStation with strawberry juice. Nice. And
The
then
exit, finally.
What do you mean the exit?
What do you mean the exit? What do you mean?
I keep forgetting what this is.
Okay.
Nice hat.
More
I'll do a
lasers.
nice
Yeah.
clip and I'll keep the colors.
And then bam, and then
I'm gonna save this really quick. It's
Boom!
random people.
did it. There we go. Where am I now?
This outfit is gonna be for
I just need one thing. This in my old pictures. I pictured like that, and then look. No, these are not the ones. Oh my god! I need to get this. There we go. Hey, let me get that. Oh, recording.
Yeah. Fireplacing plants. That doesn't even follow me walk.
Give me that. Give me that.
What do you mean give me that?
No!
You fall?
My bad. Now I just need to put it the normal way. Come on.
Good girl Snorri. This is my favorite game. Good girl Snorri. Bruh, somebody's in the trash can. Hey, yo, why they're in the trash can?
There we go. That's weird. Bazooka. Where are you? Where are? There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
What are you doing?
Yong Hee. Yong Hee.
Okay, I'm talking.
Yong Hee.
What do you mean?
Yong Hee. Yong Hee. Yong
What do
Hee.
you mean?
Oh my god.
Is this my sister or something?
Ah!
My
Explode.
sister looks like this.
No, no. Dodge, dodge.
What's in your face? Hey, yo, where's my shoes?
Shoot, 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 shoot. Chop, chop, chop.
I like
chop, 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 chop. I almost defeated him. Yogi! Let me shoot you. 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 No, wait. Touch that. Touch that. Mommy. I'm so close.
Let's do some.
No, 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 no. Get away from me.
And then I'll put it down. It's darker.
No, jump.
Not purple.
No, no, no. Get away from me.
Nice, beautiful.
No. Jump, 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 jump.
And we're gonna put it down.
No! I need to pause. There we go. I just paused the video. Suddenly she got defeated. Okay. Because let me go to the SWAT. Let me drive. Rain. Let me take a picture. Just like, is this the Wild West?
Go away. Why do you
Is this the Wild West?
So rude, miss. I'm gonna.
It's not, because there's these kind of mountains. Because there's morphs in these mountains. And the cactuses are... there's nothing wrong with the cactuses. I wish I would never fall in that gooey stuff. I don't want to fall in that gooey stuff. Yeah. This is a high jump. Boom. I need to pause the video, but finally, guys, I have reached the helicopter.
I played that game last time and I reached the helicopter too.
And I'm here.
I was playing that in my real
Donate.
by the way. Hey girl, what is it?
I'm not here.
Your burning house. Hey, I'm a baby. Did you
More
saw that
games.
I'm a real baby.
These are coming soon to my videos. Bye.